day at CKC starts with a lot of fun, a lot of laughter, a big family meeting in the morning where everybody, teachers, parents, and kids get together and spend 10 or 15 minutes just talking about what's ahead of us that day. We then break up into our classes. So some CKC locations might have 5 classes a day, some might have 4 classes a day, but they're broken up as you might see in a traditional school. Typically, we even ring a bell to let students know that the class period is over. What I think is really key though about CKC is that in between every class, there is a 10-minute break where students are outdoors, running around in the playground, running around in the field, throwing a football, kicking a soccer ball, laughing with their friends, getting a true break. The other thing I think is really important in our day is a long lunch and recess period. So typically about an hour where our students get to have their lunch and just hang out, decompress a little bit. For most of us, our day ends at 3 o'clock. Again, we ring a bell. It looks and feels very much like what you think of as school, but so many things that just make the day more engaging for our kids, more exciting for our kids. There's always lots of smiles, lots of laughter in and outside of the classroom. It's a very homey environment. It's hard to put that into words until you come and visit us, and then I think everybody sort of feels and knows what I'm saying. It feels like a big family reunion.